Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode on How Logical. In today's video, I will guide you through on how to log in to Costco credit card online. Citibank offers a credit card to all the long-term loyal customers of Costco, which is basically a reward card that grants customer points for purchases such as gas, travel, dining out, etc. Citibank has created a website that lets you look at your Costco Anywhere Visa card account online. Now, in order to get logged into your Costco credit card, the first thing you need to do is to open any web browser on your PC. Now, search for citibank.com, and once you landed to its home page, you will see this login panel at the right hand side of your screen. Now type in your username and password correctly. If in case you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget user ID or password respectively. Now once you're done with typing in your credentials, tap on sign on button, and once you get logged into your Citibank account, you will get access to your Costco credit card bank online. And that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your Costco credit card online. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.